Ucha. So I come out to check on the garden to see how everything was doing. And we got this beautiful melon right here. Pretty decent size. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. Pretty decent size. But what I wanted to show you guys is that we had another melon that was right here. And as you can see, this melon has fell off of the vine. I'm not sure why it fell off the vine. I'm not sure if it fell off the vine because it's ripe and it's ready to go. It is kind of dense, you know what I'm saying? But it did fall off the vine on its own. But what I can say is that when we look at these little arms right here, they're not dead, but it did come off. It fell off right here, actually. It was hanging right around here. And as you can see, right there, that's where it was hanging at. And so what we're gonna end up doing is we're just gonna end up cutting it open. So this is the watermelon that fell off, and we're gonna cut it open and see what's popping. It's ready. Ooh, very immature.
So because that other watermelon fell off, I used my headscarf. I cut a piece of a headscarf that was way too big that I needed to cut anyway. And I used as a kind of like a sling to put the watermelon in. So I just wrapped the watermelon and then I tied it up so that the pressure wouldn't be on the plant right there. Because that's where it snapped before. And you could see it was like starting to dry up here because it was about to snap there as well. And so we needed to take the pressure off of these hanging watermelons. So I tied up this headscarf up here. And this watermelon has been tied up for a couple weeks now. And look, it's almost time to harvest it. So once this brown part gets all the way up to this root in here, we are going to take this off and we are going to show you how it tastes. Or tell you how it tastes and show you what it looks like. So this watermelon we are going to harvest because the tendril across from where it's hooked to the vine is completely died out. So that's supposed to mean that it's ripe. Also, I can feel the juices and the watermelon flesh inside. I can feel it. So why don't I cut it off? Right.
Watermelon. Say I harvest watermelon today from the garden of Treatz. You want to eat some of it? Yeah. So this watermelon took about 90 to 100 days to grow from seed.
You gotta cut it.
Well, they usually take 70 to like 100. She loves melons. Melons are a rejuvenation, replenishing fruit that we all should have in our gardens. Ain't that right? Say, if you don't have no mangoes, I said mangoes, melons in your garden, what are you truly doing? So beautiful. All right, spoon.
It smells good. You want to leave it like this?
And as we can see, lots of seeds.
Probably could have left it a little longer. It's ready to eat. No, it looks good actually.
Watermelon.
Smoke.
Full of phytonutrients. You want some? Here. You want some? Go ahead. That's good.
It's so good. That's amazing.
So we harvest our watermelon, and when I tell you, it's the best watermelon I ever had in my life. It's so good. You want some? It's delicious.